Hi everybody, my name is Joao.
Mrs. Johnson.
I'm a high school senior at the Marlborough High School, and today we're gonna make a Master Chef competition. We're gonna have 4 groups competing against each other to see whoever have the best
Pizza.
Yes. Since I was a child, I always watched the Master Chef, actually the TV show. So I just came up with ideas, so why not? We do our own Master Chef at the Marlborough High School with the students, so everybody is welcome. Miss Martins helped me out over here, helping to get more students involved in the community and also the English learners to learn more things about ingredients and stuff and get involved in the community.
Joao also put a lot of flyers around the school to make sure that everyone had an equal shot if they really wanted to get involved. There was a QR code so people could sign up, but it was truly a lot of students coming together to create their own teams with their own inspiration.
Yeah.
My name is Miss Martins, and I'm the host of Marlborough High School's Master Chef cooking competition. And I have here some judges.
I'm Miss Secundas.
I'm Mr. Knapp.
And they will be judging some of the pizzas today made by Marlborough High School students who are competing. One of the reasons we're able to do something like this is that we have kitchens here and cooking classes that we offer for students here at Marlborough High School. So it's great that we offer the opportunity for students to learn how to cook and learn different life skills.
So judges, what are you looking for today? What's your priorities? What are you hoping to see in the kitchen?
For me, definitely creativity. I have to see them kind of blossom their arts with their pizzas. I think as well, I don't want to get sick. So, no raw dough, better be cooked, and just deliciousness overall.
Coming from a coaching background, I like to see that teams work together as a team. And I can see some of the teams are not exactly working in harmony with each other, so I'm curious what the final product will look like.
Cool.
Anything from our host that you...
I just hope everybody has fun.
Wonderful, fun.
So, our first team is Hispanos. Please tell us about your pizza.
Our pizza has pepperoni, corn, cheese, obviously, and how do you say this, mister?
Spinach.
And a spinach. Only
Right.
this.
Thank you very much. All right. You judges can start judging creativity and presentation before we eat. So let's see. This pizza, whose is this?
Me.
And this is the Ratatouille team? Yes. Okay, please tell us about your pizza.
How are you? Good? So good afternoon. We have this pizza here made with love. Yes. We have pepperoni. We have cheese. We have pizza. I hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you very much. All right, whose is this? The Wings Club. All right, please tell us about your pizza.
Minha pizza é uma surpresa, né? Vocês vão descobrir, vão cortar, vão descobrir a surpresa e é isso. Mas a gente pode ver que é uma delícia mesmo. Tem surpresas.
No speak of...
Okay, so a surprise pizza.
It's a surprise pizza, yeah. Okay?
All right, very nice.
Once you slice it open,
Very nice.
you'll see the surprise.
Yeah,
Exactly.
And our last pizza, whose is this? Brazilian flavor. Please come tell us about your pizza.
Alright, so our pizza has pepperoni, corn, olives, cheddar, normal cheese, American cheese in there.
All right, very nice. Now it's time to eat. It's time for the judges to judge your pizzas.
All right.
It's getting messy up in here. This is our ratatouille pizza.
What do you
Corn
think?
was a good idea. I didn't try the stuffed crust, but I like that.
Wings Club.
All right, how do you guys feel? Huh? Anxious. That's a good word. How do you feel? Excited?
Yeah.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
De maravilla.
You feel good? Nervous? How do you feel? So good. Oh, confident. How do you guys feel? Nervous. Confident? Yeah.
Fourth place, we felt like this contest is going to be given to Ratatouille. Here's the problem. They were all good pizzas. Ratatouille, you just didn't put enough sauce, like pizza sauce on it. and cheese, and we felt like it needed those two things. I thought it was a little bit salty too. I don't know if it was some of the ingredients. It was very, very good. But we're gonna go fourth with you guys. Third place, Brazilian flavor. Listen, personally, I loved it. Personally, I loved it. I don't know
It lacked a little bit of flavor for me.
It didn't
have
have
enough salt.
There wasn't any like dynamic flavor.
There was nothing.
Yeah, it was all kind of just tasted the same.
Yeah.
It wasn't diverse. It wasn't as diverse as
But
we'd like it to be.
it was well
Yes.
cooked.
It was well cooked.
Yeah.
It was well cooked. Second place, we decided Winks. The problem with Winks is you had it on broiler for a little while, and it took you a long time to do the dough because you screwed up. If that pizza had been cooked fully, maybe it wins. Okay?
You tried a technical piece, a very technical pizza.
That was hard to do, but you know, you tried.
It was a close one.
Our first MasterChef champions, we decided Los Hispanos. Los Hispanos. Okay, it was really good. I loved the corn. I loved the spinach. It was spinach basil. It was just really, really well done. Again, fourth place Ratatouille. That could have been the best one if not for an ingredient or two or more sauce. It was an awesome first try. We are so proud of you guys. We love this and we want to do it again and again and again, okay? So congratulations to all you guys. Can we take a quick group picture?
Yeah, group picture, everybody over there.
Group picture.
Order.
do you think?
Order is cheddar stuffed, okay? Brazilian flavor over here. All right.